Hello sir, what's your name?
I'm Gaurav Poddar.
Okay, sir, what's your stall name?
We are from Tata Chemicals. What we are showcasing here are two different products. One is Elka Carb and Fossins. And in Elka Carb, we are also showcasing the new variant that we have launched, which is Elka Carb Free Flow.
Okay. Sir, here today, I don't know, this is the first time you are participating here in.
In Poultry India, after a very long time, we are participating.
Okay. So, do you think if any of the persons who are doing business, if they are coming to this kind of expos, that will help for their business?
That depends on what is their motive. So if somebody is looking out for lead generation, somebody is looking out to putting out a word. We are looking out to put out a word and also connect with users who are using our product. So we are a 85-year-old company, and we have been providing Elka Carb in the feed industry for a very long time.
Okay.
It is quite a known product, so we have had so many visitors coming here and say that we use this product and we just want to get a photo clicked in front of your stall or with us. Always welcome, right? It's always good to connect with users who are using our product. With a primary ingredient manufacturer, we are at times quite away from the user, but it gives us a very good opportunity to connect with those users.
How were the footfalls yesterday actually?
It was quite good, better than expected. I have been attending a lot of expos globally in the food segment, and this I must say, it is very well organized, and the footfall is definitely quite good.
What do you expect today then?
Better than yesterday. No specific expectation, but better than yesterday.
Okay. See, every year we used to take some resolutions. What kind of resolution your company is taking for the customer for the next year, 2026?
So I think resolution becomes a forward-looking statement, and it's a commitment from the company. But without any commitments, what I would want to say is that we are looking at developing. So we are working a lot in developing primary data, doing primary research, so that the segment can be benefited. We are looking at intensifying that effort and getting more data on board so that the segment can be benefited.
All the very best. Have a great day.
Thank you.